If you're like starting from scratch, and some of us listening, we are starting from scratch. What are going to be the step-by-steps in order to make the most amount of money in the least amount of time? And step one is mind map.
The cool thing about this, I call it the mind map funnel. The cool thing about this is a way you can start a podcast, start growing a list, and start selling services and write a book all in one fell swoop. And I've taught this before. And usually when I teach it, everybody's eyes just glaze over and they're like, what? I'm confused. But the people that get it, they're like, holy smokes, that's great. That's awesome. That's amazing. So if I had to start all over again, didn't have a list, I lost everything, this is what I would do. I would sit down and I would ask myself, I call it the fastest path to cash. And I would say, like, what is it that I really, really love doing? Well, for me, I love real estate investing. I love marketing, and I love helping people make money. That gets me excited. And I know real estate investing really, really well. And I love the marketing side of real estate investing. I talk about this a lot. We're not in the real estate investing business. We're in the marketing business. So what could I do that could really help my clients get fast results? And so I think I could offer some kind of one-on-one coaching to help them and partner with them on deals and do their marketing for them. Like, people want to make money. What do they really want? They want to do deals. They want to make money, but they're not good at the tech side of things. They're not good at marketing. So for me, I'm thinking, all right, I'm going to make an offer. I'm thinking the end in mind. My offer is going to be one-on-one coaching, because that's the fastest way to start making money in this thing. One-on-one coaching. And I'm not going to sit down and create a product and then create a webinar and then try to sell it with Facebook ads. I'm just thinking, if this is what I want to sell, one-on-one coaching for $5 or $10 grand, and I will work with you and I'll partner with you on deals and do kind of the stuff you don't want to do for you. Now, I call this the 5 1s. The next thing I would write down are, what are the 5 1 things, I'm thinking about one person, one product, one conversion tool, one traffic source, and 1 year to focus on these one things. So I'm thinking, who is my customer? It's the guy who wants to get into real estate investing. What's my product? My product is going to be one-on-one coaching, consulting. My conversion tool, that's going to be a phone call, book a call, right? That's going to be my conversion tool. My one traffic source is going to be podcasting or maybe YouTube. Make it into both. I'm going to show you how you can turn this into a YouTube and a podcast, and then soon a book and all of that stuff. Okay, now I'm going to start creating the content. So what I'd like to do is I like to use mind maps. I'm going to start mapping out my content, and maybe I'm going to create a 30-day mind map course called Marketing Secrets for Real Estate Investors. And each of these courses, these videos, are going to be 15 to 20 minutes long, nothing much. Maybe 30 minutes max, but like digestible. Maybe the first few days is like how to pick the right markets, where do you find the right deals? The 5 best free marketing strategies, and then the 5 best semi-premium marketing, and then the 5 best paid marketing strategies. And then I'm going to talk about CRMs. I'm going to talk about, I'm just kind of throwing out, brainstorming all of my ideas. I'm putting it out there on the mind map, and then I'm organizing it by days. Day 1, I'm going to be talking about how to find the best markets to target. And I'm going to show them. And, there's tools and resources and spreadsheets that I use. There's things like that. And so in the mind map, I'm going to open it up. So I'm sharing my screen. I'm a little bubble in the lower left or something like that. And I'm teaching them. And I'm saying at the end of the day 1, by the way, guys, if you want this mind map for free, which has all these cool things in it, just go to joesmindmap.com and you get this thing for completely free. All right. Day 2, I open up the mind map and I have my content in there. And I have links to all of my best resources are in the mind map. So I'm showing in the mind map, me clicking, here's a spreadsheet, here's a contract, here's a checklist, here's a link to my 5 top favorite places to find buyers, and so I'm just clicking these links and showing them on my screen what I'm doing. All right. By the way, at the end, guys, if you want this mind map, it's completely free, no strings attached. Just go to joesmindmap.com and you'll get this thing. Right? What am I doing? I'm teaching this concept and breaking it out over 30 days, showing them what I'm doing by doing it. So I'm teaching them and doing it. So I'm kind of demonstrating it and showing them, if they want this valuable stuff, these links, these resources, they need to get my mind map to get it. Now, all of a sudden, I'm creating this content, I'm recording it, and I start releasing these videos, an audio podcast every day. Welcome to day 15 of my 30 days to 100 marketing secrets, things like that, right? Now, what am I doing? I'm building an audience. They're coming back to my channel. They subscribe to my channel because they want to see the next one. They've subscribed to my podcast. This could be audio or video, And so then now when they opt in to get the mind map, the next thing here is I'm going to create my offer. And it's real simple. On the thank you page, hey, thank you so much. The link to the mind map is on the email. It's in the email on its way to you. But let me tell you a little bit about who I am and what I've got here, because I think I got something that might be of interest to you, right? I'm showing you how to do all of this stuff. How would you like my one-on-one help? How would you like me to help you do this stuff? And I can coach you through the process, and I can help you actually do this stuff for you. You might be overwhelmed with all these different things. So now I'm pitching into my offer. I've got a few open spots down below. Click on the schedule once or Calendly link down below to get on my calendar. And let's talk to see if maybe we can work together. It's not free, but I promise you it's worth it. In fact, I've got this cool thing that I do where I will reimburse you your coaching fee out of our first 3 deals that we do together.